An array of fresh veggies nestled in crispy romaine topped with cheese, Tex-Mex seasoned sautéed beef, and buttermilk ranch dressing. Craving an easy to make but big flavored salad? Try this sensational Tex-Mex taco salad. This is one of those salad recipes you're going to make once and then instantly add it into your weekly salad rotation. Here's what we're going to do. We're going to gather up an assortment of veggies into a big salad bowl, saute up some ground beef flavored with our Tex-Mex spice mix, then dress the salad with our buttermilk ranch dressing. But make sure to watch this video to the very end because I'm going to give you 3 different ways to present this one salad. Are you feeling those Tex-Mex vibes? Here's how to make it. We have a large salad bowl. We washed and ripped 2 heads of romaine lettuce. Next, we're going to add 1 cup of cherry tomatoes halved. I had some leftover corn on the cob. I sliced off the kernels, then added 1 cup of cooked corn to the salad. We're going to add 1 can of black beans drained and rinsed, 1 cucumber cubed, 1/4 of a red onion diced, and then 1 cup of grated Monterey Jack cheese. Finally, let's do 2 avocados. They are peeled and thinly sliced. So now we have this large bowl filled with fresh veggie fabulousness. We're going to set it to the side just for a second. We need to cook up 1 pound of lean ground beef. Large skillet on medium-high heat. We're adding that 1 pound of beef. Move it around in the pan as it cooks. Once it begins to lose its pink, we're going to add half of a white onion diced plus 2 garlic cloves finely diced. We're going to stir to combine and cook until the onions go soft and translucent. Now you're going to need a package of taco seasoning. Use a favorite or keep your eyes peeled for the weekend at the Cottage Tex-Mex Spice Mix. Made with Mexican chilies, onion, garlic, cumin, and oregano, we're going to sprinkle 4 teaspoons onto the sautéed beef. We're going to stir to combine. I have 2 pro tips for this recipe. Number 1, feel free to add a little bit more of the seasoning to taste. And number 2, feel free to vary the vegetables you're using as well as the ground meat. This recipe works really well with ground turkey, ground chicken, ground pork, or how about a nice hot sausage? Fabulous. Let's continue. You can see how tasty this seasoned beef turned out for the recipe. Let's add it to the salad now. Now you need a really great dressing for this salad. Click up here to check out our tangy buttermilk ranch dressing. You can watch that 1-minute video to see how easy it is to make. Let's pour some of that ranch dressing onto the salad, then we're tossing to combine. You can add more dressing to taste. Now, are you ready to try this? How about I give you 3 different ways you can present this Tex-Mex salad when you make it at home? Let's start with number 1, just take it easy. We're adding a generous portion of the salad onto luncheon or soup plates. Add a bit more of the ground beef. Tuck in some thinly sliced jalapeno peppers, then a zigzag of more dressing. Let's do a dollop of sour cream and some fresh cilantro. Gorgeous. Option 2, bowl me over, but you will need to make these edible, homemade flour tortilla salad bowls. Really easy. I made this batch with the same Tex-Mex spices plus Monterey Jack. Again, we're going to add the tossed taco salad, tuck in the jalapenos, add more of the seasoned beef, add the dressing, maybe some more cheese, and sour cream and cilantro. Serve it with a lime wedge. And finally, how about a collar of corn tortilla chips? Lunch or dinner plates, circle the outside with crunchy corn tortillas, then you know the drill, the salad, the jalapenos, the beef, dressing, add a bit more cheese, sour cream, and cilantro. Serving this delicious salad is always amazing. Know what else is? The fact that the full recipe is up. weekend@thecottage.com. When you're visiting our website, please subscribe to it. Look for this video on our dedicated YouTube channel. You can subscribe to it as well. And then finally, when a salad is this beautiful, take a picture of it and post it using hashtag weekend@thecottage on your favorite socials like Facebook, Pinterest, and Instagram. Make this incredible Tex-Mex taco salad. Beef, veggies, cheese, dressing. The best right here. Delicious.